Hello, welcome to another session in JavaScript Made Easy course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is downloading and installing JavaScript ES6 Code Snippet plugin in Visual Studio Code Editor. So let's begin. So first, I'm going to show you how to download and install this particular plugin, which is none other than JavaScript ES6 Code Snippet plugin. After showing you how to download and install this plugin, I am going to explain the reasons why we need this plugin. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing here is I'll open this notes and show you how to download and install this plugin first. Let me open the browser and browse that link. Then I'll get these notes and it's very simple things, guys. There is nothing in this notes actually. There are some steps like what you have to follow for installing this JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets plugin inside the Visual Studio Code Editor. I have already launched this Visual Studio Code Editor here. Okay, here welcome screen has come. Let me close it. Now the things are like this. Okay, so now here we have Explorer, then we have search, then we have source control, then we have run and debug, and the last one is extensions. Select this option. Then you'll get this extensions kind of stuff where you can search for the extensions. Okay. So here search for the extensions, guys. Okay. So what is extension I need to search for? Here I need to search for the extension known as JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets. I'll just type ES6. Let's see if it comes up or not. Okay. Just type ES6. Okay. So here we got some plugins, guys. You see JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets plugin from here. Chara Lampos car PDs. Okay, this particular thing should be there. Okay, if you want to, if multiple things comes like the ES6, right? Make sure that it has this one. Okay, Chara Lampos car PDs. Okay, like that. Okay, just select this and here you can click on either here or here. You click on this install button. Then okay, in no matter of time, we are getting this uninstall option means it got successfully installed. Okay. So this is how we need to install this plugin. And once the plugin got installed, okay, exit and again start this Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, restart the Visual Studio Code Editor once. Yeah, now it's done. Okay, again, let's close this welcome screen and here Explorer is open. Now, if you click on this, Explorer is coming and all those stuff. Okay, so now let's understand what is the purpose of installing that plugin. Why we have installed this JavaScript ES6 Code Snippet plugin inside this Visual Studio Code Editor. I'm going to explain now, okay? So here we have, you don't have to learn each and everything in this notes, okay? The main parts I'm going to explain, okay? The main parts I'm going to explain, guys. So why we need to install this JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets plugin in the Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, so the purpose is not for writing the JavaScript code. Without this plugin also, we can write the JavaScript code inside this Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, but what is the advantage of installing this plugin? What is the use of installing this JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets plugin? The main lot of advantages will be there, guys. The major importance is faster coding with snippets. Okay, you can write the code faster with the snippets. You don't have to write the entire code like console.log. Okay. So in JavaScript, we have this console.log. I'll cover this about this code in the JavaScript language in the upcoming sessions. But for now, if instead of writing this entire line, you can just type CLG and press tab key, and this will be the entire code will appear for you. Okay. So let's try this out. Let's try this out, guys. Okay, see whether that is really happening or not. Okay, for me to try that and all right, I need to open the folder and all those stuff. Okay, so just try to understand for now. Okay, just try to understand for now because till now I didn't write any JavaScript code. Maybe in the next session I'm going to show you how this editor will come to use for you. Okay, so for now the reason why we have installed this plugin is that, okay, simple reason here is for faster coding with snippets. So this snippet, like one of the snippet is, okay, like shortcuts. The plugin provides faster coding with snippets means what? The plugin provides shortcuts for writing the common JavaScript syntax instead of you writing the entire code like console.log like that, okay? So we can use these snippets or shortcuts known as CLG and press tab key. This will be auto-generated, okay? The entire line will be written, okay? No longer you have to write the entire stuff. Just type CLG and press tab key. That will be enough, okay? If you want to create a function, you can use FN. Like that, many examples are there here, guys, okay? Many examples are there here. Once installed, once install this plugin, you can use this shortcut kind of stuff like CLG, FN, okay, to create the code and all, okay. So going ahead, we'll be using that. Don't worry, okay. Fine. Anyhow, in this session, I'm not going to demonstrate how to use this CLG and all those stuff, okay, because till now I didn't show you how to write and run the JavaScript, any sample JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code Editor. Maybe in the next session, I'm going to show you what is the advantage of this. Okay, in the next session, I'm going to show you after I have written some sample JavaScript code and run it in the Visual Studio Code Editor as part of the next session. I'm going to demonstrate this advantage of this plugin in the next session. Okay, till then, see you. Bye bye. So that's all for this session. Take care.